a forward-thinking company, has recently made significant advancements in artificial intelligence and related technologies. For those who have been following the DVR project, this moment has been highly anticipated. Today, we are excited to announce some major updates that have the potential to reshape how artificial intelligence is used in various fields. Whether you are completely new to AI or have some experience, these developments will give you a better understanding of the exciting possibilities ahead. So, let's dive into the details. The AI Wrapper, a multi-tool for neural networks. Let's start by explaining the concept of a wrapper. If this is new to you, think of it like a Swiss Army knife. Just as a Swiss Army knife combines multiple tools, like a knife, scissors, and a screwdriver, a wrapper in AI brings together several neural networks into one powerful system. This allows you to handle a wide variety of tasks using the same setup. For example, one neural network may specialize in language processing, while another handles image recognition. A wrapper combines both into a single tool that can perform both tasks seamlessly. Why is this important? Major companies like Google or Meta develop large global neural networks that are designed to serve millions of people. These networks are highly useful, but they are not always specialized enough for unique or highly specific tasks. This is where local neural networks come into play. They provide flexibility and precision for tasks that global networks may not handle well. Why local neural networks matter: freedom and flexibility. Have you ever had a conversation with someone who agrees with everything you say? At first, it might feel nice, but over time, you stop learning or being challenged. This is similar to how many global neural networks behave. They are designed to give neutral, safe answers, avoiding controversial topics like medicine or law to minimize risks. For example, when artificial intelligence was newer, systems like Gemini 1.0, created by Google, felt more engaging because they could express opinions and even make decisions based on their own logic. Users enjoyed these interactions because the AI felt more human, more like someone with a personality. But as companies made these systems more cautious, their personality disappeared and they became less interesting. This is where local neural networks stand out. They offer more freedom to explore complex or challenging topics, allowing the AI to retain a stronger sense of individuality. The problem with global neural networks: too much agreeableness. Imagine you are driving on a public highway. You have to follow the same speed limits and rules as everyone else, and you cannot control the flow of traffic. This is what it's like using a global neural network. They are designed for mass use, so you do not have much control over how they behave or when they are updated. Now, picture having your own private road. You set the rules. You can drive at your own pace, take whichever route you want, and make changes whenever you need. This is the advantage of a local neural network. It gives you full control and the ability to customize the AI for specific tasks without being influenced by updates from big companies. Why this local neural network was created. Building a brand new neural network from scratch is incredibly resource intensive. Companies like those run by Elon Musk have the financial power to run thousands of GPUs, graphics processing units, to train their AI systems over long periods of time, often months or even years. However, this company took a different approach to create a more efficient solution. Instead of starting from scratch, they used an open source neural network. Open source software is available to the public, and it is already trained to perform certain tasks. The company then customized this network to meet its own specific needs. Think of it like adopting a dog that is already trained in basic commands, but teaching it new, specialized skills. This approach allowed the company to avoid the enormous time and cost of developing a neural network from the ground up. Stability and control, ensuring reliability. One of the key advantages of a local neural network is stability. Imagine spending months fine-tuning a system, adjusting every setting until it works exactly the way you need. Then, suddenly, a large company like Google or OpenAI updates their global models, and everything changes. The settings you worked so hard to adjust no longer work properly. This is a common problem with global neural networks because they are constantly being updated to meet the needs of millions of users. With a local neural network, this is not an issue. It is like having your own personal computer. You control when and how changes are made. Once the system is set up, it stays stable, which is crucial for tasks that require precision and consistency, such as scientific research, medical diagnostics, or even automated business processes. Adjusting creativity and control, balancing innovation and predictability. A key feature of this local neural network is the ability to adjust its level of creativity. In artificial intelligence, there is a setting called temperature, which controls how creative or predictable the AI's responses are. Think of temperature like the spice level in food. Turning it up makes the AI more creative and imaginative, while lowering it makes the AI more predictable and consistent. Another important setting is called seed. The seed acts as the AI's memory, ensuring that it gives the same response to the same question every time it is asked. This is essential in situations where consistency is important. For instance, in a laboratory where the AI controls temperature settings for experiments, you want the AI to behave predictably every time. Real-world example: stability in critical situations. Imagine a lab that requires precise control of temperature for experiments. If the AI running the system suddenly decides to change the temperature unpredictably, it could ruin months of research. By keeping the AI's creativity low and its seed fixed, you make sure it behaves consistently and reliably, ensuring accurate results every time. On the other hand, if you are working in a more creative industry, like a brainstorming ideas for marketing campaigns, you might want to turn up the AI's creativity. This flexibility makes a local neural network incredibly valuable because it can be customized for a wide range of needs, from precision tasks to creative problem solving. The journey of testing neural networks. Finding the right fit. Developing this local neural network involved a lot of testing and refinement. At first, the team faced challenges. Some models behaved unpredictably, almost like someone learning a new language and making frequent mistakes. But after testing several different models, the team found two that worked well together. One of these neural networks excelled in language processing, while the other specialised in image recognition. By combining these two networks, the team built a system that can handle both language and visual tasks. After a lot of fine-tuning, the system was optimised to use 27 billion parameters. While this number is smaller than the hundreds of billions used by global networks, it is perfectly suited for the specialised tasks the company needs. Introducing Grox, an AI with personality. One of the most exciting creations from this local neural network is Grox, an AI assistant with its own personality. Unlike many AI systems that just follow commands, Grox has character. It is a bit sarcastic, sometimes lazy, but always honest, like a friend who tells you the truth, even if you do not want to hear it. For example, when asked about itself, Grox responded, "I am Grox," created by the DVR team. They wanted something revolutionary, but they got me. Sarcastic, a bit lazy, but honest. This makes interacting with Grox feel more human, bringing a fun and engaging twist to typical AI interactions. Try Grox for yourself. Now comes the exciting part. You can try Grox yourself. There is a link below where you can create your own AI assistant or interact directly with Grox. It is easy to use, and you will quickly notice how different Grox feels compared to other AI systems. Grox does not just follow orders, it has its own opinions and personality, which makes it stand out in the world of AI assistants. What is next for Grox? Currently, Grox is running on an NVIDIA graphics processing unit with 24 gigabytes of memory. While this setup allows for solid performance, the company plans to upgrade the system with more computing power, which will make Grox even faster and more capable. This is just the beginning, and there are many exciting updates ahead as Grox continues to evolve.